Forex trading robots, also known as expert advisors, EAs, have transformed the way people approach currency trading. These automated systems are designed to execute trades on your behalf, using preset rules, technical indicators, and market data to identify opportunities in the highly volatile Forex market. For traders looking to maximize efficiency and minimize emotional decision-making, trading robots can be a game changer. The primary appeal of Forex trading robots is automation. Unlike manual trading, which requires constant attention and quick decision-making, a trading robot can monitor the market 24/7, placing buy or sell orders according to its programmed strategy. This continuous operation ensures that no potential opportunity is missed, even while you sleep. Another advantage is consistency. Human traders often make mistakes driven by emotion, such as fear or greed. Robots, however, stick strictly to the rules, removing emotional biases from trading decisions. This disciplined approach helps maintain a clear, systematic trading strategy that can be backtested and optimized over time. However, using Forex trading robots isn't risk-free. The success of a robot depends heavily on its programming, the reliability of the strategy it uses, and market conditions. No robot can guarantee profits, especially during unpredictable events like political upheavals, economic crises, or sudden market spikes. Traders must monitor performance, apply proper risk management, and be prepared to intervene if the market behaves unexpectedly. Integration with brokers and platforms is another key consideration. Most robots operate on platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, requiring compatible brokers and stable internet connections. Some advanced robots can even incorporate AI and machine learning to adapt strategies based on market behavior, though these systems often come with higher costs and complexity. Despite risks, Forex trading robots can be a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced traders. They save time, enforce discipline, and provide a systematic approach to trading. When used correctly, combined with solid knowledge of the Forex market, these robots can enhance trading efficiency and potentially improve profitability. In summary, Forex trading robots are not magic moneymakers, but powerful tools that, when used wisely, can help traders capitalize on the fast-moving currency markets with minimal hands-on effort.